Hello friends, in today's video, I will show you how to find your Roblox account password if you forget it. So let's get started. Now tap on More option. Scroll down. Now tap on Settings. Then tap on Account Info. Now tap on Password pencil icon. But you cannot directly view your account password. Here you can only change your Roblox password. Don't worry, there is another way you can view your account password. After, go back and go to Gmail box. Tap on Profile. Then tap on Manage your Google account. Now tap on Security and sign in. Scroll down. Now tap on Password Manager. Now see Roblox, just tap on. This way you can only find your account password if it is saved in your Google account. If the video is useful to you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.